In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download FiveM on your PC. First, open up your browser or go to FiveM.net. This is the official website where you can download the client safely. On the homepage, find and click the Download Client button. A pop-up will appear asking you to accept the terms of service. Click on Sure, I agree, and the installer will download in just a few seconds. Once the file is downloaded, just open it. FiveM will now begin downloading the other requirements it needs to run. Just let it finish the process. It may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After the setup, FiveM will ask you to log in with your Rockstar Games account. This is required to verify your GTA 5 copy and connect it with FiveM. Once logged in, you might see a pop-up for cfx.re, which is FiveM's account system. You can create an account if you want, but for now, you can simply skip it. In earlier versions of FiveM, you had to manually select the GTA 5 exe file if you were using Epic Games or another launcher. Most of the time now, FiveM detects it automatically. And that's it. FiveM is now installed and ready to use. From here, you can browse servers, join roleplay communities, and start exploring GTA 5 in a whole new way. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.